doesn't work anymore, so we're gonna have to take care of that. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. I'm gonna go ahead and remove this little nut thing up here. So that reveals there, and then right behind there you have another.
So you do have this, you do need to go ahead and use I'll put it up on the screen to get rid of that.
Well, it's out. And then you're just gonna slide this top part off of that.
Slide this cover off.
Once you get that cover off there, right, you can go ahead and throw it down. That's, again, already unscrewed back here. And all you have to do is go ahead and push it out. Mine luckily came with a new one of these. And this is like pretty beat up, so I'm glad it came with a new one. But the other one that I got for the passenger side didn't come with one of these, so make sure you don't throw this away. And you can go ahead and reuse it, but this one is going in the trash.
That is on there.
That one's on its own rail. You can just shove it in. I'm going to do that off camera because I only got two hands.
Alright, so now that's pretty lined up. We go ahead and feed this screw in here. Alright, snug tight, not really too tight, don't want to break the plastic.
Perfect, now we just got to add the screws real quick. Alright, now the screws are back. Look how clean this one looks. I'll go ahead and open it up like that. Then push over. Back in here, up, in. Last thing is put this little cap back on. God, it's fucking hot out here. So including filming and opening up the box from the very beginning to now that it's complete, putting that little thing on there, it took me a total of less than 26 minutes. Again, filming, getting the tools, getting the part, like all of it, 26 minutes. If I wasn't filming, it's probably like 10 minutes. So I used eBay for this one. I bought a OEM one over on the passenger side. They seem to be the same fucking shit. I got this one off eBay for like $25. I got that one off FCP Euro, which is a great website if you're keeping your BMW. You can go ahead and get oil from this website. They'll send it to you. And when you're doing your next oil change, you go ahead and buy another set of oil, right? And then you can send them back the oil to get your money back. Like oil, brakes, it's a wonderful website. If you're gonna stay with your BMW for thousands of years, thousands of miles, check out FCP Euro. Not an ad, just a fan.
And I hope you have a good day. Toodaloo.